Long ago, in a galaxy far, far away, a massive gamma-ray burst released more energy in a half-second than our sun will ever produce. In May of 2020, light from that stellar explosion finally reached Earth. Now, an astrophysics team from Northwestern University believes we have witnessed the birth of a magnetar for the very first time. Magnetars are the most magnetic objects in the universe, according to NASA. These magnetic monsters have been observed but are poorly understood, and astronomers have never seen one being born. Scientists believe the magnetar was created in a neutron star collision. The event, called GRB 200522A, produced a characteristic afterglow known as a kilonova, the brightest ever seen. Astrophysicist Wen-fai Fong, who led the research, told Live Science, "I can count on my hands the number of kilonovas that have been discovered from short gamma-ray bursts, but this was 10 times brighter than any of those." A rapidly spinning neutron star with massive magnetic fields, aka a magnetar, might explain such a bright kilonova. The magnetar's powerful magnetic field would have stirred up the energized kilonova particles, making them glow bright. Assuming the team is correct, future observations should reveal radio emissions from the site. The findings were published in the Astrophysical Journal.